Wondering if you should start investing? Good news. It doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a few tips. First, know why you're investing. Retirement, dream home, launching a business, whatever it is, have a goal. Second, understand what's out there. Different accounts mean different perks. Let's start with retirement accounts. A 401k. They're employer-sponsored, have tax perks, and your employer might contribute to them. Early withdrawals have penalties though, and at 73, you must start taking money out. A traditional IRA. You open it yourself, get tax-deductible contributions, and enjoy tax-deferred growth. Same penalties as a 401k apply, and they have lower yearly contribution limits. Then there's a Roth IRA. You fund these with after-tax cash and won't be taxed on retirement withdrawals. You can pull contributions out anytime, though earnings have some rules. Next up, brokerage accounts. There's no tax perks, but no contribution limits or early withdrawal penalties. They're great for non-retirement goals, but your balances go up and down with the markets. For lower risk options, consider a certificate of deposit. Now, for education savings accounts. First up, a 529 plan. These grow tax-free and can be used for qualified education expenses from kindergarten through grad school. And a Coverdell ESA. These are like a 529 with more investment options, but have contribution limits and income rules. Phew, that was a lot. Now that you've got the T on account types, check out part 2.